In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the Claude AI app. If you've ever finished a session and want to make sure your account is secure, logging out is quick and straightforward. I'll show you the fastest way to sign out of your current device and an optional route that signs you out everywhere at once for extra peace of mind. Start by opening the Claude app on your device or head to claud.ai in your web browser. Make sure you're on the main interface where you can start a new chat. On desktop, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area. This might be your photo, your initials, or a small avatar icon. Click that profile icon. A small menu will appear with account-related options. Choose the option labeled Log Out. This immediately signs you out of your current session and brings you back to the sign-in screen. This is the quickest way to step away from your account on a single device like a work computer or a shared machine. If you prefer to make sure no other active sessions remain signed in, for example, if you've used Claude on multiple browsers or devices, there's a slightly different route inside Settings. From that same profile menu, click Settings. This opens a panel where you can manage your preferences. In the left-hand sidebar, select Account. Here you'll find a section specifically for logging out across all devices. Click the Log Out button in that section. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you want to proceed. Click Log Out of all devices to confirm. This action ends your active sessions everywhere, which is especially useful if you misplaced a device or used Claude on a public computer. After this, you'll need to sign in again the next time you open Claude on any device. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother: save any work or copy anything important from your current chat before you log out, since you'll be taken back to the sign-in page. If you don't immediately see your profile icon, try widening your browser window or checking the bottom left of the sidebar. On smaller screens, it can be easy to miss. Interface labels may vary slightly over time, but the profile menu, settings, and account areas typically stay in the same general locations. That's it. Use the quick log out for a single device or the account section in settings to sign out everywhere. Thanks for watching and stay secure.